Hey guys, good morning. So I did want to point out that Polygon is having a really nice run to the upside right now. I mean, we did just hit, I think at peak, like 235, and it's still up there. Well, let's peak over here, 213. Yeah, I mean, there's a solid, I think we're going back to like 260-ish, to be honest. It does look like we broke relative highs for basically everything, right? You broke relative highs of September 4th, relative highs of October 30th at 187, or what is this? Like 213, and then we're at 230 already, right? You even broke this relative high of 202. So I think we're going to 268. I think that's where it's headed. If anything, if you're looking at a bigger time frame chart, then obviously, we're possibly going back up to $2.68. I think MATIC has always been undervalued. I think $16 billion is still a very low valuation. I think it should be worth closer to 40, maybe $80 billion. So I can still see maybe a 5x from here. Oh, sorry, not 5x, like a 3 or 4x from here. Sorry. I can still see like a 3 or 4x from here on Polygon. I think that it should be valued closer to about $80 billion. That's what I think Polygon is going to do. Personally, I'm just holding it long term. But if we end up, and also Coinbase is a huge investor in Polygon, which is why I'm also not heavily invested. It's not my biggest position. I should probably add more. But it also, Coinbase is releasing its NFT platform with the payment structure using Polygon. So, I'm just waiting for that to happen, and I want to see a rally. I want to see a rally for Polygon when that actually gets announced officially, because I know it will. I just don't know when. But Polygon's having a great run, and I think it's headed back to maybe close to all-time highs. I don't know if it's actually going to break all-time highs, and I would definitely hate it if it creates a double top. But as of right now, I'd say that we would be headed back to 268, or at least around the 260 area for Polygon. And then if we have even better news, so if there's actually official news of Coinbase accepting Polygon, which seems to be what is actually going to happen, except there's no official news on it yet, then I think you'll actually break that all-time high and keep running. But again, Polygon for me, I think it's better than Ethereum, which is why I hold it, and I think that for the most part, it's going to be a very big player in the Coinbase platform, and I'm probably going to be holding for a very long time. And I just got news from my Patreon members that they're actually going to start releasing nodes. So more than likely, I will probably end up, buying a couple of nodes from Polygon, just because I'm definitely long-term bullish on Polygon. I think it's a great network. Basically from the low gas fees, right? That's it. But it's fast, it's reliable, low gas fees. There's no reason to not be bullish on Polygon. But yeah, nodes, I haven't gotten any yet, but definitely probably will. But yeah, I think Polygon's going to like 260, 268 level. It's just that's just me looking at the naked chart and not really, and not really me looking at actual TA. But it's just from the bull momentum that it has so much right now. I wouldn't be surprised to see it at $260. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.